What is going on, my friends? Hank here with some breaking news from the wonderful world of scale modeling. A new and exciting kit has just hit the market and it's really caught my eye, and I wanted to share it with you guys because I think that this could be one of the must-buy kits of the summer. This one is coming from the good folks over at Academy Models. It's a brand new 2024 tooling, and it's a subject we really don't see too much of out there on the market. This is Academy Kit 13556, their Panzer I Ausf B and Zundap K750 Motorclycle. Now, there are a few reasons that I think this kit has potential to be a real hit this year. First off, and the reason that I'm the most excited to pick this kit up, it's a Panzer I. Now, for some reason, there are so few Panzer I kits out on the market today. We see tons of new kits coming out of Tigers and Panthers and Panzer IVs, etc., but these early war AFVs seldom get their moment in the limelight. I really do love these early war tanks. It's fascinating to me to see the development from these 5-ton glorified tractors with machine guns, really, to these 70-ton monstrosities over the span of just a few short years. There are a ton of Panzer II variants out there on the market, but hardly any Panzer Is. I've been waiting quite a while to pick up a Panzer I, and I think this is going to be the one for me. Now, we don't know too much about the kit itself. There's really not a lot of media out there about it yet, but the folks at Academy have really been stepping their game up lately, and I think this kit might be the one for them to help really flex those muscles, and by the looks of the pictures we have, it seems like we're off to a great start. Now, this kit is going to come with 6 sprues to build up both vehicles. The main hull of the Panzer I looks like it'll be in panels rather than the simplified bathtub hull, and we'll be getting some link and length tracks for an extra bit of detail. On top of that, it does appear that we're getting some photo etch with this as well. There are a few pieces that you can see in the images, including the exhaust shroud at the rear of the vehicle and these lovely little photo etch gorgets for the motorcyclists. Which brings me to the second model in our little kit here, the Zundap K750. Now, this little thing actually looks stunning. I would have picked up the kit for just the Panzer I, but the motorcycle is a phenomenal bonus. Academy figures haven't always been the most impressive, in my opinion, but these guys actually look like they've got some very crisp details and are more or less on par with some of the other high-end plastic figures we've been seeing lately. As mentioned, the inclusion of the PE gorgets is a lovely little touch. And the inclusion of the bike sitting next to the Panzer is a really good visual cue of just how small this tank actually was. And the final reason I'm stoked about this kit is that it's at a super accessible price point. This just went up on Sprue Brothers over the weekend, and at the time of recording, it's listed for $33. That is such a steal for a single kit, let alone a bundle, let alone a brand new 2024 tooling of anything. Sold, I am in. 2 kits, including a Panzer I, 3 figures, 5 decal options, photo etch, done. I'm good. In any case, I had to share that one with you guys. Phenomenal little kit coming out from the good folks at Academy. Will you guys be picking one up for yourselves? Let me know down in the comments below. I'll have links down there in the description if you'd like to learn more about the kit. And until next time, my friends, be well, happy building. Cheers.